Good morning guys, how are you today? Outside is like that. It's a little cloudy but you see the sun. Yeah, a little messy at the moment. I have these things. I'm actually doing my laundry and it's done. But I still have my, and these are dry. I'm going to put it outside. And this is going to be my breakfast. I just finished my breakfast. Yeah, I'm going to clean that later. Yeah, I will continue my laundry. Today I'm day off and yeah, today is a cleaning day. I need to clean today. I need to wash all the dirty things. Yeah, even my bed, I'm going to wash it today. And then later on, I'm going to vacuum the floor. Clean the floor, clean the toilet, and yeah, organize this stuff around. Put all this in this box, and yeah, I will give it to my landlord and he will take care of that. And yeah, he's actually making money with those bottled water container, glasses, things like that. Nice. If you remember that there are many recycling center around this area, that is how it works. I'm just going to play the music, YouTube music, and I start to clean. Yeah, I'm washing this by hand because this blanket is so big. I actually tried to wash this with this washing machine, but it is stuck like grug grug grug. Sounds like that. Yo, I now have all my laundry outside. I'm just listening to the music and now I'm preparing my lunch. Yeah, it is now 12:49. Let's have a look on the outside. Yeah, it's now 12:49. I already cleaned the floor. Yeah, I still messy the tables, but yeah, it's fine. Yeah, I'm just listening to the music. This time it's King and Queen of Hearts by David Pomeranz. When I was working in Sydney in the breakfast, yeah, there is one French kitchen hand, and then I start to prepare something for us to eat, and I'm preparing something like this. Yeah, for me, I prepare it with rice, but he prepare it with just bread, and we are satisfied with the breakfast. He said this is delicious. Yeah, outside is so good. It's really inviting. Yeah, I was just listening to music. I'm going to switch that off. Yeah, already pick up my laundry. These are all dry. I'm going to fold that later. I still have one, the blanket that I washed by hand. It's still wet. Yeah, it's still hot outside. Hot because of the sun, but if you are in a place like this, in a shaded area, it's really cool. I mean, the breeze is amazing. It is really nice because a lot of people are now traveling from here going to Tea Garden. I'm waiting for my coffee, cappuccino, and this is the view today. Nice. There is the ferry that is leaving now with a lot of passengers. It is going to Tea Garden. Yesterday I got a comment coming from Tea Garden. They live in Tea Garden. Tea Garden is in the other side of the big river. Nice. Okay, I was just sitting here maybe 1 hour already having this coffee. Yeah, I'm just going to throw this to the bin, and then we'll keep on biking. And we are here again. We're just going to have a look down there. Yeah, this is how it is here. They put this kind of chair here so they can fish relax. Look, there are so many small fish down there. Yeah, we're going to explore this place. There is a small pathway that is going to the other side. Yeah, this place is residential. As you can see, there are many apartments. Yeah, in case you don't know, here in Australia, people are encouraged to have their bike. As you can see, most of the pathway is a shared pathway for both walkers and yeah, the bikers like me. Yeah, we are now here in Shoal Bay, and I'm actually thinking of going to the bike shop because yeah, if you notice, I have just this one, and there is no more on the other side. It was broken, it was lost. We asked if they have that something. He is busy at the moment. He is having a guest, so we don't disturb them. We have a look here first. It is amazing. Yeah, the guy there did free service to my bike, and one moment, I'm going to get down and I will show you this. So basically the guy put this one, yeah, these two, and it's now properly working so good. He also adjusts the brakes, this and this, and he give this for free. Yeah, because the other one was already gone, lost. I don't know where is it now. Yeah, and he gave this to me. Amazing. I also asked him to fix this, but he said, come back on Sunday because I'm going to give a proper checkup of your bike. Yeah, I said, how much? He said, no worry, it's free. Yeah. It is nice. Yeah, so I'll be coming back on Sunday as a sign of respect, something like that. Yeah, I know that there are something to fix in this bike, but still working, it's good, but I know that there is something need to fix. Yeah, we will try to get in there with the bike. Yeah, it's also a beach. It's called the Sinet Beach. As you can see, it is wooden. Wow, very rough road, mate. But I can manage to get up here with the electric bike. Oh no, I'm running out of battery. As you can see, it is blinking. When it is blinking, it means running low. But we are now here in the middle, and it's like that. We're not getting down there because it will be difficult for me to get up here back. Here's how it looks like here. Yeah, nice. At the moment there is a couple, they are swimming. There are more people on that side. And this is how it looks at the back. Yeah. And on top of that mountain, there is a viewing area where you can see the whole Port Stephen. See the restaurants, busy, mate. It's a hotel, and they are always busy. Look at this. This time there are many, like dead plants from under the water. Yeah. What is that? Wow, beautiful. We are going home now.